try doing something different for the YouTube channel here every now and then is do like daily, but kind of weekly updates of what's going on here at the shop. Get some insider stuff so you can see what goes on here day to day for everything. Hope you guys enjoy. Here's kind of... All right, shop update. Just got done with the newest build for a customer that's here local. My 4Runner got the newer style CBI bumper on it. So I got rid of the early 5th gen bumper that I'd modified to fit the later 5th gen. Let's see what else is going on around the shop here. Let's see, Sequoia right here. It's getting ready to get built next week. Suspension, wheels, tires, sliders, the whole works. 80 series is done. Put a full Dobinson suspension kit on it. Caster plates and everything. I just need to do an alignment on it. He brought wheels and tires, but they don't fit the hubs. Gotta watch out for that. They are 6 lug, but the 80 series axles have bigger inner diameters that you have to order. 3rd gens for routine maintenance and an antenna, kind of as we fit it in. Jill's mini truck. Waiting on drive shafts. They should be here today. Everything other than that is good, so it's just pulled out right now, just rolled out because it's got obviously no drive shafts in it, but it's done. Hopefully drive it home this weekend and then enjoy that thing. My mini truck's in the shop because the passenger side window is all blown out on the thing. She'll try to source a window for that. So if anybody has a window for a 1980, let me know. That's my after work project because I'm in the slow things that go over rocks and fast things that go around corners. Hood from the Baja 1000, trophy truck hood's massive. Quinn's working on a Tundra today, getting lift kit, wheels, tires. Should have that done today, maybe alignment tomorrow. We're waiting on a GX 460 to come in. It'll go in this bay. I gotta clean up. Midday update. GX is done. This is what's got done to it. Did a Toy Tech Boss coilover set in there. We turned them down. So it's about 1 3/4 inches of lift because in the rear, we did Toy Tech Boss shocks, but underneath we just did 1-inch Dobinson springs with a Firestone airbag located. The air fill up to right over here beside the exhaust. It's nice and easy. He uses it for construction, go to construction site, so he tucked it up high so he won't shear those things off. But all in all, cool build. He's coming back later for wheels, tires, sliders, and a roof rack possibly. So, yeah. All right, afternoon update for everybody. Everything's out of the shop pretty much, minus this 80 right here, getting an alignment on it. Mini truck's pulled back in. I gotta pull the drive shaft tonight. Rest of the shop is empty. Quinn is off to the tire place, Taylor's Tire, to get wheels and tires mounted on that Tundra. We got the Lexus out of here. Tundra will be out of here tomorrow after he picks it up. And then tomorrow we've got an FJ Cruiser coming in for some lights. And I think that's it for tomorrow. A bunch of shop stuff and finishing some of the stuff out here in the parking lot. It's nice today. All the shop doors are open. It's been a good day. Big productive day. Oh, John, guy that works here, his tires came in. He got some look like Firestone Destination MTs for his Tacoma, so those should be nice. Mount those on his beadlocks sometime. Friday afternoon here. Everything is done for the week. The only vehicles in the shop are my mini truck right here and the Subaru down there that we've been working on. Just one more customer vehicle to get picked up for the day. It's this Tundra right here. But other than that, I hope you guys kind of enjoy this style that I've done. I guess it's like a vlog. We'll do some DIYs, how to install stuff, especially like our recovery points. That's one. Skid plates, Nothing too crazy. We'll do some time lapse, the suspension and stuff like that. John will be back this week, so give me more time to do some videos for everybody. Hope you enjoyed this one. Have a good one.